Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Friday, December 19th. Norwegian Cruise Line's long-awaited pool at Great Stirrup Cay in the Bahamas is now open. Guests visiting the island this week on Norwegian Gem confirmed that the new resort-style pool is officially welcoming guests, and Cruise News Today has received photos and videos showing the area fully operational. The pool adds a new major feature to Great Stirrup, which until now mostly relied on beaches and cabanas. The opening comes ahead of additional island upgrades planned by NCL, including a larger water park, which is scheduled for opening next year. And Royal Caribbean's new beach club in the Bahamas has officially received its most recognizable symbol. This week, the cruise line installed a massive crown and anchor fixture at its new Paradise Island Beach Club in Nassau. Now, the resort will operate as a shore excursion for guests visiting Nassau, with water shuttles departing from the docks adjacent to the cruise ships. Pricing is demand-based, starting at $129 per person or $169 with an all-you-can-drink package. The first visitors will visit on December 23rd. And speaking of private destinations, Carnival Corporation has hit a major milestone at its new destination on Grand Bahama Island. Just 5 months after opening Celebration Key, it has officially welcomed its 1 millionth guest. Andrew Sexton from Knoxville, Tennessee, sailing with his family on their first ever cruise, was surprised with a celebration, a private cabana, and complimentary food and drinks. The resort opened on July 19th and has already created jobs for over 1,000 Bahamians. A major expansion is set for next year, aiming to double ship visits and even welcoming more cruise lines. And the photo of the week comes from Phil, Anthem of the Seas in Sydney, Australia. Great photo here, Phil. You can send yours in photos@cruiseradio.net. All pictures are subject to broadcast. And cruise stocks were up on Thursday. Carnival Corporation up 1.1%, 28.34. Royal Caribbean up 0.5%, 286.73. Norwegian up the same, 21.63. And Viking up the same, 69.95. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips@cruiseradio.net. Here in Southeast Asia, I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Have yourself a great weekend.